what's up? It's Rebecca-Louise. Welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time that you have landed on this page, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss any of these videos. And please give me a thumbs up if you want more nutrition videos. Today's video is all about how to prepare your food. And I have teamed up with Home Chef, who are an amazing meal delivery company that gives you easy to follow along recipes. So if you need something simple, if you're not a great chef like me, then they give you the best recipes with healthy food options to make sure that you guys are getting the right balanced nutrition to your door. And guess what? I have kitted you guys out as well. You can actually get $30 off your first order with coupon code Rebecca-Louise30. So let's get started. We're going to be talking about healthy ways to prepare your food, and I'm also going to be sharing one of their amazing recipes. Let's get going. So today with Home Chef, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a tasty salmon recipe. So in this, we've got the salmon, which is our protein. We've also got complex carbs in there, as our sweet potato, and also some vegetables as well. So let's get started on this recipe. The first step is to prepare the food, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to cut up some sweet potato and also those tomatoes. It's really important that you have fresh food and make sure that you're using complex carbs rather than simple carbs. Complex carbs are actually really good for you, and the simple carbs are going to turn to sugar that turns to fat. So next tip, we are going to roast those sweet potatoes. My little tip here for preparing healthy food is to make sure that you're just using a little bit of olive oil and you're using some salt and pepper to add some flavor. Okay, up next, we're going to marinate the salad. Now, big tip here is, guys, don't use thick, heavy salad dressing. It's really going to add extra calories and not help you with that balanced nutrition diet. What we're doing here is we're just going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper and marinate our salad. Next up, we're going to cook the salmon, my favorite part of the meal, the protein. Make sure you're having around 20 to 30 grams of protein, because anything more than that your body can't digest. Now, when you're coming to cooking things, never ever deep fry anything. That is the thing that you want to stay away from. I have pan fried this salmon. Okay, lastly, let's add the sauce, a little bit of extra flavor. Just make sure that when you are adding sauces to your meals, you're not drenching it in something. This is where you can see extra calories, and it's just going to take more time in the gym to burn that off. Okay, so let's recap on a few things that we learned about preparing healthy food. Never ever deep fry things. When you're having your carbs, make sure that you're using complex carbs rather than simple. When you're adding salad dressing, don't add anything heavy. Make it light. They're going to cause you extra calories. And when you're adding some sort of cream or sauce, just use a tiny bit for flavor instead of drenching your whole meal. My name is Rebecca-Louise. If you want more nutrition tips, then make sure that you leave some comments below, and I will make more videos about nutrition, health, and wellness. My name is Rebecca-Louise. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Rebecca-Louise Fitness. Have a wonderful day and stay fit.